Hey, Sully here. Look, I know you like to write fast, maybe a little too fast. But if you're like most salespeople, your emails, I promise you, could use a good shower and a shave. Here's the trick I've been using lately that makes me actually sound a little bit smarter. Some say I sound friendlier, and oddly enough, it's helping me become mildly wealthier. It's called ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it. So how's it help me with email? I don't have it write me the whole email because I still want it to sound like me, not some Ivy League AI robot. So here's what I do. I take the first draft of my email, the one I hammered out with 3 typos, absolutely zero charm. I drop it into ChatGPT and I say, hey, rewrite this to be clearer, more conversational, and persuasive, but keep it sounding like a real person. Don't make it cheesy. And guess what I get back? I get back gold. It's unbelievable. It's awesome. It tightens up my message and it replaces maybe these corporate cliche words that might come out of my mouth or fingers, like utilize, and replaces it with words like use. I sound more normal than ever. And it adds rhythm and pace and a little bit of swagger. Suddenly I sound like I have a copywriter living in my laptop. All right, now here's the kicker. Let's do a little comparison. We call this A/B testing, up in the C-suite. Now, if I do a regular version versus, let's say, a ChatGPT polished version of the email, I'm getting double the replies from the AI polished one. That's double. So here's your move after you leave Sully's Pub. Next time you write a proposal email or maybe a follow-up or maybe even a cold pitch, don't send it raw. Have your digital bartender clean it up for you. And you're going to realize ChatGPT can be pretty charming. A little charm goes a long way, especially when you're competing with boring, unprepared, AI hiding from type salespeople.